welcome back Fly Tribe, and welcome to your weekly tutorial. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and remember to subscribe and ring that bell so that you know when we drop a new tutorial each week. Alright guys, so this is your bicycle climb tutorial. Alright, are you ready? Let's get to it. Alright, let's look at each leg individually. So the first leg that you wrap like a regular French wrap, that's the leg that you're going to draw up towards the calf or towards the ankle. Draw it up and notice how the knee bends, okay? And you draw the fabric back. All right, let's look at that again. You wrap and it draws up and bends. Draw the fabric back, straighten the leg. All right, now let's go ahead and look at that other leg. The leg that is the second leg, it's coming wrapping in front. This is the hard part because you have to really use the core. And you're going to wrap and make sure that fabric goes on the instep. Let's check it out again here. Wrap in front, instep, push straight, bend the arms to stand. All right, again, bring that foot in the front, push the leg straight, and stand. Notice you do need to have your arms long here. It's best if you can really create a good V position with that leg straight out like a pike and your arms straight. Make sure the shoulders are pulled down. So let's take a look at what this looks like if you just can't quite get this movement. Because once you get it, it's like an aha moment. Okay, but notice here how Rachel just kind of struggles to get up for some reason. Do you notice anything different between this position and the last position? All right, so check it out. She's just not quite in that V position. And why? Because the arms are not straight and she's not focusing on those legs being pike position. So her bottom needs to sit down more. So notice here, Addison, her arms are straight, V position, pike as much as you can. And then you're going to bring that leg through the center. See, if her leg was piked more, she wouldn't have struggled there. All right, so just think about keeping that leg up as high as you can and pulling the other leg in as close to the core as you possibly can. That's your bicycle climb. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.